dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Good. So children, be ready for the school. Okay? Yes. So, welcome back to EVS class. So now we are in school, classroom. Okay? So the topic is the world of animals. Right? Yes. So open page number 29. So, I had told about the animals that we are having different types of animals, different types of mouth, and what the animals will have. Okay, many animals will have very different. Some animals will have plants, some animals will have only the meat, and some animals both meat and plants, right? And they have different types of tongue also. So here, next one, we have you observed as Talman catches an insect. Yes, children. Have you seen a chameleon here? See here. This is okay. So here you will see this on the trees more. He will catch the insects, but tongue is very tall. Just if insect is sitting here, okay, this is the insect sitting here. The chameleon is sitting on the tree now. He is sitting on the tree. Too far. So just he cannot move. He will move, but he will not move because tongue is so long, and he will just open the tongue. He will take out the tongue, and he will just kill the animal. And they are not only smooth, it is very hard also. Tongue is very hard. Okay, they are having a gel. So automatically it will be stick to the tongue, children. So it is very sharp and it is very hard also. How did you get? It uses its long and the thicky tongue. Frogs also eat the same way, even though frogs also will eat the same way. Frog will having a tongue. Suddenly they will open the tongue and they will eat the insects. This swallow the food whole. They do not have any teeth to chew the food. Yes, children. Frogs and salmon, they are not having a teeth. They cannot chew. Chew means you know very well. So that is called as a chew. When you will eat the chapati, you will chew, no? Or you will eat like this only? No? Yes. So, what do you mean by shallow? So here they are having a tongue. Shallow means water. Okay. Just they will open the tongue. With the shallow they will catch the animal and suddenly they will take inside. Okay. They will take out. They will not chew. Frog and salmon both are equal. Tongues are very long, thicky and very strong also. Have you heard a rabbit teeth? Yes. So children, here rabbit is having a teeth. Of course, rabbit is having a teeth. And what is the favorite of the rabbit? Most what he will eat? What he likes more? He likes carrot. Very good. So always rabbit likes carrot. Okay. So here, well, rabbit, squirrels and the rats have same teeth here. Sharp skulls like front teeth. They can beat and cut hard and strong things with these teeth. So children, which of the animals are having same teeth? Yes? Rabbit. Rabbit is having same teeth. Rabbit. Next, rat. Next, Suppose rats. Have you seen the rats in your homes? Maybe will be there or no, I don't know. But some in houses they will be having. If you keep the things in the box also, rabbit will be remove easily. Okay, and they will take out the things and they will eat because they are having a sharp teeth. Right? Even though rabbits also same thing. They having within second they will eat it everything. Even the squirrel. Have you seen the squirrel? Just squirrel will hold like this and it will eat. Kach, 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 they will eat. Very sharp teeth. Front teeth, what the front teeth are there? Front means here. They are having a long teeth like this. They are having long teeth so that they can eat very easily. Okay children? Did you all understood? Understand or no? Yes. So the about the rabbit I told, rat I told, chalmin I told, tigers, camel, these all are there. How many times do you have been bitten by a mosquito? Question. How many times do you have bitten to the mosquito? Bapre, mosquitoes will bite daily. Okay. So, uncountable. How do you feel? When mosquito is sitting on your hand, how do you feel? We don't have any pain, isn't? We don't have any pain. He will drink all the blood. He will take out the blood like injection it is. Just they will enter and they will take like a straw. How we will do in tender coconut. So like that same thing they will drink and they will move. When they will move, that time they will be having a feelings. Isn't? Wow, what happened to my hand? Oh, when will the small things that comes? Oh, mosquito has bitten to me. Later we will see where is a mosquito. We can see just we will go and we want to take the mosquito. We want to beat the mosquito or we can use a mosquito bat. Right? How do you feel? You feel pain, no? Yes? Very good. So children, today I will stop here. In next class I will continue the same thing children. Okay? So till then please stay home and stay healthy. Bye.